Hello, welcome my dear students to your GK class. Students will be discussing current affairs that are mentioned on page number 28 and 29. There are some personalities mentioned on page number 28, international personalities. Some of the personalities we have discussed it already through a different platform. Two personalities were left out to be discussed, and the personalities which are given on the page 28 before these names we will be discussing surely, of course, those personalities also in our upcoming videos. Okay, so please be don't be worried about that. Those personalities are left undiscussed, it will not be so. वो personalities भी आपको next videos में जरूर डिस्कस करी हुई मिल जाएंगी. Okay, we will be discussing them also, those also. Okay, so in this particular video आज हम अभी ये दो personalities लेंगे जो पेज नंबर 28 पर mentioned है, और उसमें एक टेबल मेंशन है about authors and their concerned books that we will be doing in a subjective form. Okay, sorry, in the objective type form. So I don't think there is any requirement of explanation for those authors and book. You have to just learn those books. I will be letting you know which all authors and which all books you have to learn out, and we will be discussing some of the topics that are mentioned on page number 29, that is our union cabinet ministers. In that also we will be discussing the selected portfolios, the selected ministries. Okay, we will not be discussing, we will not be going through each and every ministries, each and every portfolio. We will be discussing the major one, the important one. So let's start with these personalities. Evo Morales, he was the president of Bolivia, and he resigned from his post on November 10th, 2019. And he was the president of Bolivia for almost 13 years, from year 2006 till 2019. And along with this president, the vice president of the Bolivia and the Senate president also resigned collectively. And my dear students, his name is here because यूजली जो ये हायर पोस्ट होती हैं किसी कंट्री का प्रेसिडेंट या प्राइम मिनिस्टर, वो नॉर्मल सर्कमस्टेंसेस में रिजाइन नहीं करते. इधर देर इज अ बिग प्रॉब्लम गोइंग ऑन इन द कंट्री, कोई कंट्री की सिक्योरिटी पे कोई डेंजर है, या इंटरनल प्रॉब्लम्स, इंटरनल डिस्टर्बेंसेस इन द कंट्री, तब उस सिचुएशन में जाकर ये लोग जो कंट्री हेड्स होते हैं वो रिजाइन करते हैं. सो इट वुड नॉट हैव बीन अ नॉर्मल रीजन फॉर हिज रेसिग्नेशन. फाइन. The next personality that is mentioned on the page of your current affairs, page 28, that is Pravind Jugnauth, and he is elected as the Prime Minister of Mauritius. Mauritius is a country in Africa continent. On November 8, 2019, he was elected as the Prime Minister of Mauritius. And Mauritius, my dear students, it's a very uh, friendly country to India. There are many people in Mauritius that are basically of Indian origin. Okay, one of our means language from India, that is Bhojpuri. It is also a part of national language in Mauritius. Fine, and we are having good trade relations also with Mauritius. India is one of the major uh, business partner of Mauritius country, and this beautiful island is largely inhabited by Indians. Means it will be giving a feeling of as if we are into any of the state of India. That's why Mauritius is always being discussed whenever any such happening is there in this country. Okay, हम मॉरिशस को हम हमेशा प्रिविलेज पर डिस्कस करते हैं जब भी कुछ मॉरिशस में ऐसी हैपनिंग होती है, बिकॉज ऑफ द वहां पर भारतीय लोग काफी ज्यादा तादाद में रहते हैं. देर आर मेनी इंडियन बेस्ड पीपल, इंडियन ओरिजिन बेस्ड पीपल लिविंग ओवर देयर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अभी हम नेक्स्ट पेज में वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग द कैबिनेट मिनिस्ट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया, द मेजर मिनिस्ट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया. ऑन योर पेज 29 देर आर मेनी पोर्टफोलियोज गिवन, ऑलमोस्ट सारे दिए हुए हैं, लेकिन हम उसमें से मेजर और सेलेक्टेड करेंगे जो आप लोग के लिए आगे के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है और जो आपको पता होना चाहिए, यू शुड नो. ओके, सो बी विद दिस वीडियो. Okay, dear students, let's start from page number 29. Who's who? that in India, the major responsibilities, who is our executive head, who is our legislative head. Okay, let's see. Of course, the first citizen of India, the first person of India, His Excellency Mr. Ramnath Kovind. He is the President of India, the President of our country. Vice President Mr. M. Venkaiah Naidu ji. He is the Vice President. Prime Minister of India of our Union Government, Mr. Narendra Modi. He is the Cabinet Head. He is heading the entire Cabinet Ministry. And now we will be discussing the names of the major ministries, major portfolios with the name of their ministers who are heading it. The Defense Minister of India, Mr. Rajnath Singh, he deals with the security and the other bilateral issues, the external issues which are related to the country's security. Home Affairs Minister Mr. Amit Shah, Home Affairs Ministry deals with the internal security of the country, that there should be a peace, law and order all through the country. The Road Transport and Highway Ministry and other some portfolios are also being given to Mr. Nitin Gadkari. He is dealing with the Road and Transport and Highway Ministry and other small portfolios as well. Then the finance, the economy, the revenue generation, of course, it's a major part of a country's economy that depends on the financial condition. So this responsibility is given to a senior lady minister, that is Nirmala Sitaraman. She is the finance minister of the country and she is responsible to present the annual budget of the country as well. Fine. Mr. Naren Singh Tomar, he represents the agriculture and farmer welfare portfolio and other portfolios as well. We are just discussing the major one which are being associated. Many of the ministers are given multiple portfolios, multiple departments are being given to them. Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad is heading the Ministry of Law and Justice. Dr. S. Jaishankar is dealing with the external affairs, means the embassies, the High Commission officers which are across the globe in other countries of India, okay, ambassadors and all, that is being taken care by Dr. S. Jaishankar, external affairs. External affairs you can also understand by the word foreign affairs minister, okay. Then Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank is from Uttarakhand. He is a human resource development minister and also you can, in other words, you can also say he is the education minister of India. There are two three more portfolios that we'll be discussing in the video, so there was no space in this particular page. I will just add up those names shortly and we'll discuss about their portfolios as well. Okay, dear students, let's discuss some major portfolios which were left yet to be discussed. Mr. Piyush Goyal, he is representing our Railway Ministries of India. Railway, it's a huge department, and we are having one of the largest rail networks in the world. We are among the some top countries which are having a very huge and wide network of railways. So it's again a very big responsibility of railway department. Dr. Harshvardhan, he is representing health and family welfare as in the time of this uh, epidemic disease, corona and all, the responsibilities of this ministry has increased many a four times. इनकी जिम्मेदारियां इस समय में इस कोरोना काल में और ज़्यादा बढ़ गई हैं. इन्होंने इन चीज़ों को टेक केयर किया है इंडिया में. मिस्टर अर्जुन मुंडा, ही इज हेडिंग द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ट्राइबल अफेयर्स. जो ट्राइब्स हैं हमारी, जो शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स या अदर ट्राइब्स विच आर residing in India, like the states of Nagaland, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. So, Mr. Arjun Munda is representing the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Now, in this scenario, the last name and she's also not any means deprived to be introduced. Everybody knows her well by her works. She's a famous TV personality as well. Smriti Zubin Irani. She is heading the Department of Women and Child Development Ministry. Okay, she is heading Women and Child Development Ministry. So, dear students, these were some major portfolios, major ministries that will be actually seeing through on the page number 29. Fine. I hope you would have understood the major work of these portfolios through this short video explanation. If at all still you feel any doubt, uh, you can uh, contact to me by the methods, by the medium which I have already told to you. So that's it for the day. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.